In this video, we're going to explore the pseudo states in CSS, and maybe you are not familiar with them, but most likely you've noticed them. So probably you don't know them based on their names, but probably you've seen, for example, here, let's go here to our page. And if you click on this, for example, you can see here, once we click on it, something will happen here. And for example, here, if you hover over the link, you might see it in a different color. And these are what we call pseudo states. And basically, they are an element and then include a state. So basically in here, when we have the href, if we hover over the href, it's a hover state. So let's put in here hover. Now we can do with this, we can give it all proper colors and design, and this will only activate the moment we activate the state within the href or in anything else, because we can do it also in the paragraph and etc, etc. But most commonly it is used on a href tag. So for example, here for the hover, we would like to give a different color. And right now we have this color here, and we might want to give this at hover state maybe a black color, and perhaps font weight bold to make it a bit more appealing. So if you save this now and refresh, you can see the moment you hover over it, the font weight has become bold. And you can see here something happens as well. It activates on a certain level, but it doesn't matter so much. Probably we have one of the settings here. What happens is it becomes very, it expands itself, and most likely it is from the, this is the letter spacings. Remove this, refresh, there you are. So now you can see this will work perfectly. And this is how you can activate the hover state in CSS. And of course we could do the same in a div here. So let's say we want to adjust the div. In our case, it will be this div here, the square div. And we could say here as well, dot square. And then we say here, colon, hover. Make sure you only use one column. That's very important, because you might have the other options, which are pseudo classes before and after uses double colon, but the states use only one column. All right, so here we could do as well, we could say here, for example, background color. We could make this white, and if we save this and refresh, and now if you hover over it, as you can see, it becomes white, but maybe it's better to give it a black color. Save that, refresh, and there you are. So now we have a hover state when we are hovering here, and then once we hover here as well, this becomes black as well. And if we move away from the div, at that moment it doesn't show. Important note here, for hover classes or for hover states, you do not use that on mobile versions. The reason why on mobile you cannot hover over a specific element. So that's not possible, because there you just press on it. So that's very important to remember. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.